All right. Jay Norton kicking off Tuesday. Box of NT. This case has been very, very good to you. It's been crazy, man. I hope there's even like cards in this one. No, I was kidding. They were like, okay, that case has been good enough. Just leave this one empty. All right, here we go. This one's bulging a little bit here. NT's weird though, man. Like, it's crazy. There's some cases where every single box you're like, that should be a case hit. Tight as a tick. All right. Got a Panther right on top. Hey, well, looky there. You got a one-on-one in here. There's a one-on-one in there. All right, here we go. Number to 59, Luke Kuechly. And number to 49, Marshawn Lynch. Gold. Number to 99, Century Materials jersey of Jared Goff. Here comes your one-on-one. Oh, that's a sick patch. Whew. Dang, that's game used too. Tyler Eifert. Game used patch 1/1 plate with a sick chunk. Sick chunk. Like you can just tell it's like dirty. Next, Dez to 99. Colossal. Next, number to 25, DD and Samaje Perine. Rookie dual patch. Donnell Pumphrey, number to 99. Rookie autograph. Booklet time. Number to 99. Joshua Dobbs rookie patch auto booklet. To 99. Oh, got a redemption next. Rookie patch autograph hollow silver. So that's a true rookie patch auto. Evan Ingram. Evan Ingram. Rookie patch auto hollow silver. And oh shoot. On the Kip heard me. He just said, oh shoot, I heard him. 1/1 on the back. Oh boy. Oh, Mike Williams shield auto 1/1. How many shields were in this case? Man, I don't know why it's not. Here, let me move the decoy or the redemption. It is hating this card. Cameras. There we go. One of one, Mike Williams. Josh, that is how you kick off Tuesday. There you have it, brother.